Windows hides some ridiculously powerful shortcuts and tools that most people never use, but once you know them, they'll make your life so much easier. Let's explore 5 hidden Windows secrets, and I'll even throw in a bonus one at the end. You'll thank me later. This is the Tech Shelf.
Tip number 1.
Ever copied something important, then lost it after copying something else? Well, here's a lifesaver. Press Windows plus V, and you'll open your entire clipboard history. Everything you've copied recently shows up here. You can even pin the important ones so they never disappear. Seriously. Once you start using this, you'll never go back to normal copy-paste.
Tip number 2.
This one's called God Mode, and it's basically a hidden control center inside Windows. Here's how to unlock it. Right-click on your desktop, choose New Folder, and rename it exactly like this. Hit Enter, and boom, that folder icon transforms into a secret panel filled with hundreds of advanced settings all in one place. It's like finding the Windows developer menu Microsoft forgot to mention.
Tip number 3.
Here's one most people have never used. Press Windows plus period, and a hidden emoji panel pops up instantly. You can open it anywhere you're typing. Word, Notepad, even your browser. It's not just emojis. It's got Kyomoji, symbols, and special characters too. Quick, smooth, and surprisingly handy.
Tip number 4.
Microsoft has its own secret tool that feels like magic. It's called PowerToys, and inside it, there's a feature called Text Extractor. Once you've installed PowerToys, press Windows plus Shift plus T, then drag your mouse across any text on your screen, even inside an image or video. It copies the text instantly. It's like having a built-in toolbox right inside Windows. No extensions, no third-party software.
Tip number 5.
We've all done this. You close a browser tab by accident and regret it instantly. Next time that happens, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Boom, your last closed tab comes back. Press it again, and it keeps reopening all your closed tabs one by one. It works on almost all browsers. An absolute lifesaver for multitaskers.
Bonus tip.
Now it's bonus time. This one's short but brilliant. Your middle mouse button can do a lot more than you think. Middle click a link, it opens in a new tab. Middle click a tab, it closes instantly. Middle click a taskbar app, it opens a new window or closes it fast. Try it once and trust me, you'll never stop using it.